Today we will learn about the printing and to preview a document. When a printed output of a document or an image will be taken, it is known as a hard copy. From time to time you need hard copies of your work. Okay, so before taking the printout, how it looks like, that can be seen by using preview, and afterwards how to choose the printers and its types, whether you want to take the grayscale or color or in black and white, what type of printout you want, what kind of quality it would be. For that we need to do the printing of the document. So Control P is the keyboard shortcut in order to do the printing a document, and Control F2 is the keyboard shortcut in order to previewing a document. All right. So now let us start practical with preview and to print the document. Okay, let us start the practical of this one, preview and printing. So now, as I have told you that at the beginning, that keyboard shortcut is what? Keyboard shortcut is Control F2. So let us check out once with the keyboard shortcut with the on-screen keyboard how it is to be. This is the control, and this is the here you can find the function keys. Actually, function keys are not displaying at this right at the moment. So control and you have to press F2. Okay. After Fn, if you keep, then this one will be appearing. So if it does not come in your laptop and also Fn to be shut down, then in that case you can press F2. Okay, so you have to depress once the Fn, otherwise it won't be it won't be seen. You see how it is going now. Now again it will be appearing. All right, so the control, hold down the control, and then choose F2. Okay, so the thing is that what will happen, your keyboard this keyboard shortcut has to be chosen. All right, from your function key area. All right, this is the one that is being shown. Okay, this is the preview of the document, and here you can see the printing options, different printing options. So where you can see what this is called, the different printer name has been given out here. So from here you will be able to choose the printing. Okay, here you can see in the right side pane, this is called your preview has been done over here. So you can go the 4 pages, you can click over here to navigate within the pages, among the pages and all. You can come back to the first page and wherever you need to see the how it looks like, you can see it in this way. Now the thing is that print all pages. So if you want, there are a lot of options are available. Print current page, okay, custom print, all these things are available. Only odd page, only event page. So what will happen if you want to take only the event page, then in that case you can go for the event page, suppose 2 4 6 8 like that, and you can give it the odd pages, then only the odd pages will be able to take the print out. Okay, custom print means wherever your cursor is, that page, sorry, print current page means wherever your cursor is, that will be considered as your current page. All right, so in this way different type of options are available. You are having the one more important things out here, collated. Okay, collated is what? Collated, uncollated. Collated means what? When you will choose the collated options, you can print more than one copy of a document. You can see out here, this is called collated and this is called uncollated. The difference you can see, suppose you are having 3 pages, then you can take the whole pages. Okay, and collated, if you are giving them 1 2 3, how many copies you want. Suppose you are giving your 1 3 4 copies, then if your bits collated is on, then what will happen, 1 2 3, it will be printed all set. There will be 4 sets of 3 pages. All right, but when uncollated will be given in this way, what will happen, okay, if you're taking 4 copies, then 4 copies of page number 1, 4 copies of page number 2, and 4 copies of page number 3 will be printed. So that is called the collated and uncollated. All right, now let us see once what is the orientation. There are two types of orientation available: portrait orientation and landscape orientation. This is the landscape orientation, and you can see out here, and this is called portrait orientation. All right, so that is the thing. So now the things, once I'm closing this view, okay, so just not closing fully, just to closing the preview. Now once more I will show you how to do the preview and all. Okay, so so the thing is that now we are going back over here once again. So now let us see where I will go. I will go to print. I will, this is the main option. Control F2 is the keyboard shortcut, and this is the print. All right, so the thing is that when you will open it, suppose test document dot is open. Now I'm going for it, file, and then print, then this preview will be shown directly in this right side Windows pane. This is called actually the previewing the document. Print one sided means it is been used for the duplex printer, where the simultaneously the pages are being printed in the front page as well as the back page. All right, that is the thing. So here you can see the print both side of the pages, print on both sides. There are 3 pages on short edge. Okay, that is the thing. So those facilities to be given in the printer, then only this is possible. All right, that is the thing. So this is the margins level, and 1 page per sheet means what? Suppose I'm giving 2 pages per sheet, then in this in 1 page two sheets will be printed. Okay, so these are the several options available in printing. All right, in previewing the document. All right, so that is the thing. So now the thing is that next what we will see that the file printing can be done by using the Control P keyboard shortcut also. All right, so if you are doing the Control P from the keyboard, now what we are talking about, that Control P keyboard shortcut. Okay, so the things window will be shown in this way. Once more I am showing you. Okay, now let us come up over here. The keyboard on screen keyboard is required in that case. So in order to show you this thing, so this is the one, and this is the document can be taken up in this way. Wait, so this is the one. So what is the keyboard shortcut? As I have told you, Control P. So this is the control key, and this is the P. That is the printing keyboard shortcut. All right, that is the thing. So Control P if you do, then this window will be displayed once again. Okay, this is the window, and you can see out here one important option that is called slider, zoom sliders. Okay, you can take it also. You can make it bigger and you can make it smaller also as well. Okay, this is called zoom slider in the preview box. All right, so the thing is that, so whenever you require to increase or decrease, you can use this zoom slider. Acha, here the different type of page measurements are being given. You can take the paper sizes of your own. You can manually measure with the help of a scale what is the paper size. All right, so otherwise if you are choosing any one of them, you have to have that kind of paper. All right, so more paper sizes are also available, and it is showing one more thing to you. So these are the different type of papers. If you want to see some customized paper, in that case you can give over here its width and all right, so that is the thing. So and here you can find the printer options. In the printer options there are a lot of things are available. Okay, proofing, saving, language, ease of access, what kind of customization, quick access toolbar, a lot of things are available. So we are not going to that right at the moment. Okay, so canceling it and then going to the normal margins. This is the margin settings out here for how you will set the margin. Custom margins also you can go for. Also when you go to the custom margin, it will show you in this way. Suppose I want the 2 centimeters only, so I will reduce it over here. The same thing I will do over here, and the all 4 items I will use. And whenever you want to navigate from one to another spin box, this is called actually the spin combo. All right, so when you can use the tab key, so like using the tab key you will be able to move anywhere. Okay, so as I'm moving here right now, I'm using the tab key. All right, so I'm coming over here and I'm changing this. I'm just tapping to straight, so it will actually work faster. So the language is set, sorry, the margins are set. You can set the orientation from here also. There are 2 types of orientation: portrait and landscape. Okay, landscape also you can do in this way, and portrait also you can do in this way. Fine, and then you can click on OK. So one more important thing is that that is making it one page per sheet, and that is called actually the print custom range. All right, print custom range. So last custom range here you can see out here. This is the custom setting of margins and all, and print all pages are there. Now you can see out here, this is called custom print. This custom print means what? If suppose I want first 2 pages, 1 2, then I want from the 5th page to 9th page. This is custom printing. All the pages I don't want in my document, I want only this much. That is what called custom printing. All right, so here are so many options available. Print all pages, the whole document, and print odd pages means the odd pages. So suppose you have chosen the print all pages, and then you have chosen the print odd pages, then all in the document all the odd pages will be printed. And if you are choosing the only even pages, in that case what will happen, entire document even pages will be printed. So this is the difference between the different type of options available in the print in the printing options. Okay, and here I have told you already, here the printer name of the printers are there. Whichever you are choosing, that one will be activated. And here the printing properties, printer properties is also available. From here you can choose your paper quality and whether it is black and white, and the color you can, if you want to take, you can do it. And this is here the layout. Okay, what kind of orientation, that also can be changed from here. If you're keeping the landscape, then the printing will be taken in the landscape order only. All right, that is the thing. So now this is all about your printing and as well as the print preview. Print preview, only one option is there. You just see how to look like, how your document will look like before you take the printouts. All right, so this is all about the preview and to print a document. Okay, then thank you. Do the practical and implement it immediately.